Every week, developers release practical open-source tools that improve how we build, test, and ship software. This is your weekly DevTool project update, covering top trending open-source and best DevTool projects this week, so you can quickly discover useful and trending developer tools without spending hours searching, without wasting time. Let's get started.
Before we jump into today's project updates, here's a quick announcement for everyone. We've launched a brand new YouTube channel called AI Agent Studio, dedicated entirely to AI agent projects, tutorials, and tools. So if you're interested in staying up to date with the latest AI agent open source projects, learning how to build your own agents, or exploring cutting-edge agent frameworks, make sure to check it out. Subscribe now to get weekly videos, in-depth guides, and real-time project breakdowns. The link is right there in the description. Don't miss it. All right, let's get into today's video.
Project number 1. CodexBar Menu Bar Monitor for AI Coding Limits. CodexBar is a macOS menu bar developer tool that keeps usage limits and quota windows visible for multiple AI coding assistants in one place. It solves the problem of hitting session or weekly limits unexpectedly by showing real-time meters and reset countdowns directly in the system bar. The app gathers data from local CLIs, auth APIs, browser cookies, and provider dashboards, processing everything on device with optional sources enabled. It connects with tools like Codex, Claude, Cursor, Gemini, Copilot, and others, and also includes a CLI for automation and CI workflows. Developers get continuous visibility without opening dashboards. Install it and keep your AI usage under control. Project number 2, LangExtract, structured data extraction from language models. LangExtract is an open-source Python library from Google that helps developers reliably extract structured data from unstructured text using large language models. It solves the problem of inconsistent parsing by defining schemas and extraction rules that guide model outputs into predictable formats. The library connects with common LLM providers and runs locally within Python workflows, where prompts, validation, and post-processing happen in code rather than manual parsing. Developers building AI pipelines, analytics tools, or document processing systems use it to turn text into usable data. Try integrating it into your extraction workflow. Project number 3, Helm, typed TypeScript framework for AI agents. Helm is a TypeScript framework designed for building AI agents that call typed functions instead of parsing command line output. It solves reliability issues in agent execution by letting developers define strongly typed actions that models invoke directly. The framework runs inside Node.js environments and integrates with existing APIs and tools through structured function interfaces. Execution happens programmatically, so agents interact with systems using validated inputs and outputs rather than fragile text parsing. It suits developers building autonomous workflows or tool-using agents who want predictable behavior. Explore Helm to structure your agent logic cleanly. Project number 4, Solid, Fine-Grained Reactive JavaScript UI Library. Solid is a JavaScript UI library focused on fine-grained reactivity for building web interfaces with minimal runtime overhead. It solves performance and complexity issues found in virtual DOM approaches by updating only the exact parts of the UI that change. Developers write declarative components using JSX, while the compiler turns them into efficient reactive updates that run directly in the browser. Solid integrates with modern tooling like Vite and supports routing and full application frameworks through its ecosystem. Front-end developers building fast interactive apps benefit from predictable rendering. Try building a reactive interface with Solid. Project number 5, Vinext, Next.js API re-implemented on Vite. Vinext is a Vite plugin that re-implements the Next.js API surface, so developers can run familiar React applications on a Vite-based toolchain. It solves deployment and runtime limitations by providing routing, server rendering, middleware, and server actions without relying on Next.js internals. Applications keep existing project structure, while builds and development run through Vite, and deployment works directly on platforms like Cloudflare Workers. Development and execution share the same runtime environment, enabling platform APIs during local testing. It helps teams migrate or experiment with alternative runtimes. Try replacing your Next.js scripts with Vinext. Project number 6, WebMCP Demo Code, browser tools exposed to AI agents. WebMCP Demo Code is an example project showing how websites expose structured tools and resources to AI agents using the Model Context Protocol. It solves the problem of agents lacking safe access to web app functionality by turning application features into callable tools. The demo runs inside a browser environment, where the site acts as an MCP server, and communicates with agents without sharing API keys. Existing front-end logic becomes accessible through standardized interfaces, enabling collaborative workflows between users and AI. Developers experimenting with agent-enabled web apps can learn from this setup. Try running the demo to explore agent interaction. Project number 7. JSM Bookified, Full-Stack Book Platform Learning Project. JSM Bookified is a full-stack web application project that demonstrates building a modern book platform using a JavaScript stack. It solves the challenge of learning real production workflows by combining front-end UI, back-end logic, authentication, and database integration in one codebase. The project connects frameworks and services commonly used in modern web development and runs locally as a complete application developers can study or extend. Data flows between client and server through structured APIs, showing practical implementation patterns. Developers learning full-stack architecture gain a realistic reference, run the project locally, and explore the architecture. Project number 8. Opensrc, AI Assistant for Exploring Open Source Code. Opensrc is a developer tool from Versal Labs that helps users explore and understand open source repositories using AI. It solves the difficulty of navigating large code bases by indexing repositories and enabling conversational queries about files, structure, and logic. The system connects to repositories and processes code context so models answer questions grounded in actual project data. It runs as a web-based experience where analysis happens through AI-driven search and explanation rather than manual browsing. Developers researching unfamiliar projects gain faster understanding. Try asking questions about a repository with Opensrc. Project number 9. TailCode, Tailwind UI Generation through code prompts. TailCode is a developer tool that generates Tailwind CSS interfaces using structured prompts and code-driven workflows. It solves repetitive UI creation by letting developers describe layouts and receive ready-to-use Tailwind components that fit existing projects. The tool operates inside development environments where prompts translate into composable UI code rather than static templates. Generated output stays editable and integrates directly with front-end frameworks using Tailwind styling conventions. Developers building dashboards or prototypes can move from idea to interface quickly while keeping control over code. Try generating a component with TailCode. Project number 10, Endo, Secure JavaScript Compartment Runtime. Endo is a JavaScript security framework that provides compartments and hardened execution environments for running code safely. It solves risks from untrusted or third-party code by isolating execution with controlled permissions and object capabilities. Developers run modules inside secure compartments where access to globals, APIs, and data is explicitly granted. The system works in Node, JS, and browser environments, and supports building applications that require strong sandboxing guarantees. It matters for platforms hosting plugins, agents, or shared scripts. Explore Endo to run JavaScript with stronger security boundaries. Project number 11. Toad, Terminal Native AI Coding Assistant Environment. Toad is a terminal-based developer tool that provides an AI coding assistant directly inside the command line. It solves context switching between editors and chat tools by letting developers interact with models while staying in their existing terminal workflow. The tool connects with language model providers and reads local project files to provide contextual responses and code actions. Execution happens locally, with commands and edits applied within the developer environment, rather than a browser interface. It suits engineers who prefer CLI-first workflows and fast iteration. Run Toad in your terminal and code with AI inline. Project number 12, Just Bash. AI agents powered entirely by Bash. Just Bash is an experimental framework from Versal Labs that demonstrates building AI agents using plain Bash scripts instead of complex runtimes. It solves the overhead of agent frameworks by letting models trigger shell commands and workflows directly through simple scripting. The system runs locally in Unix-like environments where prompts map to executable Bash logic, making automation transparent and inspectable. Developers can compose tools, pipelines, and system actions using familiar shell primitives. It helps engineers understand agent behavior through minimal infrastructure. Try running an agent workflow using only Bash. Project number 13, Pi-VSCode, Lightweight VS Code Configuration Platform. Pi-VSCode is a developer configuration toolkit that simplifies setting up and sharing Visual Studio Code environments. It solves repetitive editor setup by defining extensions, settings, and workspace behavior in a portable configuration. The project integrates with VS Code through standard configuration files and scripts that apply consistent tooling across machines. Execution happens locally, allowing developers to bootstrap a ready-to-use editor without manual installation steps. Teams and individual developers benefit from reproducible development environments. Clone the setup and standardize your VSCode workflow. Project number 14, Sandbox Agent, Secure Execution Environment for AI Agents. Sandbox Agent is a developer platform that runs AI agents inside isolated environments for safe tool execution. It solves security risks by separating agent actions from the host system, while still allowing controlled file and command access. The system creates sandboxed runtimes where agents execute tasks, interact with tools, and return results through structured interfaces. It integrates with agent frameworks and local development workflows, enabling experimentation without exposing sensitive resources. Developers building autonomous systems gain safer testing conditions. Run your agents inside a sandbox and observe controlled execution. Project number 15, Hello Agents, Practical Learning Examples for AI Agents. Hello Agents is an educational repository that teaches how AI agents work through clear example implementations. It solves the learning barrier by providing runnable demonstrations that show prompting, tool usage, and agent coordination step by step. The code connects with language model APIs and runs locally, so developers can experiment and modify behavior directly. Each example focuses on practical workflows rather than theory, helping readers understand agent construction through working code. Developers new to agent systems gain hands-on understanding quickly. Run the examples and explore agent patterns yourself. Project number 16, GitNexus, Unified Dashboard for Git Repository Insights. GitNexus is a developer platform that aggregates and visualizes information across Git repositories in a single interface. It solves fragmented repository tracking by collecting commits, activity, and project signals into one connected view. The system integrates with Git hosting services and processes repository data to present structured insights for teams and contributors. Execution happens through a web application backed by repository APIs, allowing centralized monitoring without manual navigation between projects. Developers managing multiple repositories gain clearer visibility. Connect your repositories and explore project activity in one place. Project number 17, Project AIRI, Local AI Companion with Multimodal Interface. Project AIRI is an open-source AI companion platform that runs locally and provides a conversational interface connected to tools and system features. It solves privacy and customization concerns by keeping interaction and processing on the user's machine while supporting extensible capabilities. The project integrates speech, text interaction, and automation modules that developers can modify or extend. Execution happens through local services coordinating models and plugins, enabling experimentation without relying on hosted platforms. Developers interested in personal AI systems gain a customizable foundation, run AIRI locally, and extend its abilities. Project number 18, Claude Code, Command Line Interface for Claude Models. Claude Code is an official CLI tool from Anthropic that allows developers to interact with Claude models directly from the terminal. It solves the need for fast coding assistance by enabling prompt execution, file interaction, and project-aware conversations without leaving the command line. The tool connects to Claude through authenticated APIs while operating inside local repositories, allowing context-aware responses and edits. Developers integrate it into existing workflows, scripts, and automation pipelines. It benefits engineers who prefer terminal-centric development. Install Claude Code and start working with Claude from your shell. Project number 19, Claude Relay Service, Self-Hosted Proxy for Claude API Access. Claude Relay Service is a self-hosted server that forwards requests to the Claude API while providing a compatible relay endpoint for clients. It solves access and integration flexibility by allowing developers to route requests through their own infrastructure. The service runs locally or on private servers, handling authentication and request forwarding while exposing a stable interface for applications. Developers integrate existing tools without changing client logic, enabling controlled usage and deployment environments. It suits teams needing centralized management of model access. Deploy the relay and route your Claude request through it. Project number 20, System Prompts Leaks, Collection of Exposed AI System Prompts. System Prompts Leaks is a repository that gathers publicly discovered system prompts used by various AI applications. It serves as a reference dataset, showing how assistants are instructed and constrained internally. The project solves research and transparency needs by organizing prompts collected from visible sources and demonstrations. The content is stored as text files that developers and researchers can review locally to study prompting patterns and safety design choices. It helps practitioners understand real prompt structures used in production systems. Browse the collection and analyze prompt design approaches. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.